So today we're going to embark on a journey. I think it's like ferry, 4 hours, 2 nights. Ferry from Spain to Gran Canaria. I'm not exactly looking forward to this journey as we don't have a room. There's no bed. Today we'll get a room on the ferry. It was maybe an extra €600 per way, so we're slumming it on the chairs and bring some inflatable mattresses and hopefully find a spot. We're going to be bringing you along on this journey. Essentially I'm just going to be shooting some photos, shooting a wee bit of video. Use a Fujifilm. See how it goes. So at this point, the first night is over. Obviously, both my self-inflate mattresses didn't inflate, so that was a night on the ground. The chairs, not very comfortable. But I do advise, if you're going to book it, book the premium chairs, don't book just the regular chairs because that is much more expensive.
Baby, now you're so selfish, baby. But I don't wanna be your baby doll. Have to escape from you, baby. I didn't love you, baby. Leave you, baby, now. Your dream is not mine, baby.
As you can see, quite a bit of entertainment on the ferry. There wasn't actually much like deck space or anywhere to go, and if there were, most people were sleeping on the floor. But surprisingly, some magicians, some people that brought their own instruments. There was a guy who was fucking kidding on to play the saxophone and music, but it was actually just a stick. He made me kind of regret my decision to go to the Canaries if it was going to be full of that type of behaviour, but we'll see how that goes.